So today we are going on a mini road trip to Falun, which is like the most Swedish of Swedish places. I will show you why. Come along! Bye! Have fun!
You too?
Keep plants and animals alive!
Yeah, I will. I'll try my best. Rest for chickens!
We trust you with many lives now.
Oh shit!
Okay.
See you on Monday!
So with us we have Evelyn and Tina.
Hey!
And Tina's daughter is just gonna join us soon.
In Jönköping.
Yes. Let's go. We are ready.
Out of my mind, how could I be so blind? How could I not see? Awake on the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal. I must have been wrong. 'Cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you. I keep living alone. We're so far from home. Free, but ready to flee from this all. Hard to be standing on your own. Hard to be standing on your own. You knocked me down, swept my feet off the ground, left me on the floor. Hard to resist, got me looking like this, like no one before. 'Cause I must be strong. 'Cause this might go on for long. 'Cause I was wrong, and he's always there for you. I keep living alone. We're so far from home. Free,
Wow.
but ready to flee from this all.
We have arrived in Falun. This is where we're staying. And this is the old mining village. And we are living right next to the mine. After 9 hours in the car, we decided that we're gonna go out to the balcony on the terrace and have some port before we go to bed in our new bathrooms. Yes.
Here. This is very important.
Left on the floor. Oh, this is so unreal.
Det är bara du som säger så.
Must have been wrong. 'Cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you.
We are staying in the only bed and breakfast in this area, so right next to we sleep right next to the Great Pit. And while the other guys are sleeping, I'm gonna take the opportunity to explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site. So this is a factory that's still working. They make red paint, the red paint you see on everything here in Dalarna and in the rest of Sweden. And actually I've painted some parts at my house with this in the garden. And it's actually a byproduct from the mining industry. Okay, so this was the other place, and this is the hoist house. And there was a water wheel that provided power and a hoist to lift up stuff from below. So you enter through here, and what you see is a massive water wheel. Goes up all the way to the roof. That's really cool. It's like you're an ant right next to a bicycle wheel. Finally, a proper lookout spot. Let's see. Whoa! So this is where we've been staying, and this whole area is the Great Pit, as they call it. This is the mining square, and these are all of the different buildings connected to the industrial site with shafts and water wheels that I've been looking at. And behind all of this is Falun, which we're going to explore once my friends have decided to wake up in here. Yoo-hoo! This is the outdoor toilet, a very traditional one, and it's always a thing to have a picture of the king on the toilet.
Förmodligen det där, och så har jag i vatten i skålen och sen så... Ja,
alla delar tvålen liksom.
Ja, ja, det är ju den tvålen vi har, så det finns inte så mycket. Vill man ha tvålen då kan man ta den helt enkelt.
Men det är jättebra.
Ja, det är praktiskt.
Jättepraktiskt.
Så har man i vatten i ansiktet eller där man vill ha det. Och sen tar man på tvålen och sen så...
Jag gör det nu.
Lite,
oh, wow.
Som leksaksbilar fast det...
If you ever go to Sweden, I think this is a home that you definitely should visit if you're interested in design, interior design, or just want to be inspired. This is the home of Karin and Carl Larsson, a couple that lived 100 years ago, and they have been, I think, the most influential artist couple in all of Sweden. And both IKEA and H&M come here to get inspiration. Especially Karin, she was super progressive for her time. She was influenced by the arts and crafts movement, the modernism, symbolism, all of them, and she made textile patterns that were unseen of in Sweden by that time. Patterns that are still interesting today. Since I bought my 100-year-old school, I've become more and more interested in the history and the design, art and crafts from that time period. And at the turn of the last century, Carl's painting of his and Karin's home, Karin and their children, influenced the whole country and has remained a part of Swedish identity and heritage since. Carl and Karin created their home together and mixed styles boldly with the past, the present and the future. This is what I would love to create in my home, to dare to mix colors, patterns and time periods like they did. And seeing the textile handicraft made me incredibly inspired to dive into this in the future. To create things like Karin did for my home. How cool would it be, for example, to have a room where you have weaved the fabric of the chairs and you have tufted the rug and sewn the curtains yourself, besides from maybe painting and refurbishing the whole room as well. They can follow the owners of this house since 1542. Not clear if it was built before that or if the building have been replaced, but let's go inside and have a look. It was so fun to walk around and just appreciate the time and effort put into everything to make the houses and their surroundings beautiful and to create something that lasts for a very, very long time.
Of the bonds that were created today, when you told me that sure there's a way, and the water's so still, and my pain's gone away. The air is much cleaner after it rains. Follow my love, the scent that's in spring air. Follow the moon into the sun. There's a call for new beginnings here. Let the sorrow of yesterday disappear. Let your body be new. I'm a wanderer of the soul. Before the end I plan to be whole, but I know I'll lose myself along the way. What's gone is gone, what's past is past. Let me leave what belongs in the past.
We think this is the fanciest outdoor toilet we've ever seen. Okay, so this is where the children sat and the adults. Can you show us how it's done?
I don't want to open it, to be honest. Hundreds of years.
I love the wallpaper in here.
Look how tiny.
Look, the flowers.
Is.
Oh yeah.
And I'm tiny, so.
How tall are you?
165.
165.
So.
I love them. This door was made 1632. Look at the details they made for this toilet door. See?
Yeah.
I think this is up to here, right? After Carl von Linne married 1739, he made this garden in a Baroque style with his mother-in-law. And they used medicinal plants. We have the brochure.
There's a chain. My old shackles drive me insane. Let your back